everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 over to the PlayStation app on your phone. So you can get this through the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. It's called PlayStation app. Just sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account. Then when you're on this page, we want to connect our PlayStation. So go to settings right here and select this. Or maybe you have another PlayStation and you want to go in and connect that. Scroll on down to console management. And then go to pair console with app and select that. So we can change our PlayStation over to our PS4 or vice versa. It says pair your console to unlock these features. Okay. Then we can go to select console on the bottom. But it says sign in on your console. Make sure it's the same account you're using in this app. That's pretty much all you have to do on the PlayStation 5. Then on the PS4, you want to go to account management. Activate as your primary PS4 and activate it. So let's go to select console now. And that is pretty much how we're going to connect. Just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi too. And then it should be able to just search and find your PlayStation 5 and link it. Otherwise, you do have the option to like scan a specific QR code if I go back to this app. So you can see scan QR code right here. And sometimes this app is slow, so it might take you some tries just to click it. Then you can scan the QR code on your console or enter in the code manually right here. So if you got your PlayStation 5 right next to, so there's my camera. So just enter the code manually right here and type it in and you should be able to link it. No problem. So just go to that section and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.